Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to talk about managing your delivery fees. So there's a couple of things we're going to need to know before we jump into this. First of all, where they're located. So in your admin backend, you're going to navigate to your locations. Once we do that, we will go and navigate to this little tab called delivery fees. From here, we have a couple of different setups that I will go over later in other videos. Now the next one is going to be under your restaurant. So once we set up defaults, and I will show you how to do that, every new restaurant will be applied a default set of fees. Now from here, you can modify each individual restaurant if you have anything specific in the contracts with these partners, saying that they have a cheaper delivery fee or a higher delivery fee to offset the cost for the restaurant, whatever you choose to do. Now, before we do any of this, what we have to do, and this is required for every delivery service, is we have to have zones set up. So once you go to zoning, you will go to zip codes and you will create a zone, and we highly suggest that you have one zone for one location and put all of the zip codes that you want to deliver to inside of this zone. Now, how are you going to do that? You're going to click here, or you're going to add a new zone. Once you do that, below here in the zip codes, you will be able to input a zip code. Let's just say it's 12345. We can make a description as South Atlanta, for example, right? And then we can select the shift, which we suggest you just leave as all. So once you do that, you will click add. It's going to show up here, right? As you can see, there's a bunch of zip codes here that don't really matter right now, but these are going to be used in case a customer that's in one of these zip codes can find the maps can find this customer's address. Okay, so what the system will do, it will divert from your regular fees to zone-based fees that I will go over in another video. But this is required to have in order for your website to function properly, to find all your customers, and to allow all of your customers to see the restaurants that you deliver for. Now, if a zip code is, let's say 20 miles in radius, that doesn't mean that you're going to deliver to the whole zip code, because what you're going to do is inside of the management of the delivery fees, you will be able to set up a maximum distance for delivery. So without further ado, we're just going to go to the next video. So just click on the next video in the playlist, and we will go over our suggested method for setting up our delivery fees.